Hi, I'm Jess from Crewe Audi, and today I'm going to be taking you around this brand new vehicle.
Here we have the gorgeous Audi A3 1.5 TFSI 35 Black Edition S-Tronic, finished in the beautiful Python yellow and complemented with the 19-inch 5-arm trapezoid design alloy wheels, LED headlights and LED rear lights which are really illuminating in all weather conditions. Enough room inside the boot for up to 4 small suitcases to be placed in, and the rear interior is finished in the beautiful Audi twin leather with ice-fix fitted to the outer rear seats. Beautiful inlays throughout the front of the cabin, and of course we have the S-embossed front sport seats. We also have the Bang & Olufsen premium sound system which creates great quality audio throughout the cabin. Onto the steering wheel, got the virtual cockpit controls and hands-free telephone controls, and using the left-hand side controls, this allows the driver to easily customise the different displays in the virtual cockpit. You can also zoom in and out of the speedometer and rev counter depending on what displays and designs you prefer. Over to the multimedia, this is fitted with the DAB and FM radio stations which provide you with a larger variety of stations suitable for all passengers. You can also connect your smartphone via the Bluetooth for the use of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The car settings comes fitted with the Audi Drive Select, allowing you to adjust from efficiency up to dynamic, as well as individually adjusting the drive system and steering. The driver's assist comes with speed warning, distance warning, Audi pre-sensor and lots more. And with this being touchscreen, the satellite navigation system is extremely easy to use, which allows you to easily zoom in and out of the maps, and it provides you with quick and easy A to B route guidance to all your chosen destinations from any location. Front and rear parking sensors are fitted which are there to alert you of objects close by, as well as a rear view camera which is there providing you visibility. We have the front seats which are heated, as well as the dual zone climate control unit allowing you to separately adjust the temperatures. We have 2 USB-C ports, wireless phone charging which is part of the technology pack. We have the automatic gearbox, the electronic handbrake, 2 cup holders and storage underneath the armrest.
This vehicle comes with 3 years warranty and 3 years roadside assistance, and for more information call us today on 01270 507070 or inquire online today.